Hi, this is a quick YouTube video on how I fixed my 18 by 12 foot above ground swimming pool, which had ice damage from this last New York winter. Ice got into the skimmer and it shifted and it created these crushing dents on the aluminum wall of the pool. The pool is 20 years old. I'll show you how I repaired it. Okay, here we are outside, and this is after the repair was done. I took sheets of aluminum flashing, siliconed it to the section of the pool, first starting from the bottom up so water would be able to come down. Took pressure treated 2x4s, used liquid nails and screwed it to the pool, used some metal cleats, and as you can see, the skimmer doesn't even move anymore. This should last a few years. And inside, this is two-part marine epoxy because the ice pulled down the skimmer and tore the lining, and it's been a few weeks now and no leaks.